Cows that need attention pre-breeding can be identified using the Reproduction checks work list. The system expects to see each cow having a heat every 18 to 24 days. So in this instance, this cow was calved back at the end of January and hasn't had a heat since, so she's on here as non-cycling. Or in this instance, she did have a heat 12 days after calving, but has had no heat since in the last 53 days, so therefore it's classed as non-cycling as well. An irregular heat then is where the cow calved and had a heat here 30 days after calving, but 10 days after the first heat she had a second heat. This is usually a sign that the cow may be cystic. The third reason an animal can end up on the reproduction checks list is for an abortion warning. So this is where an animal was served, had an insemination event, was scanned as pregnant, and then the next event that the system saw was a heat. Normally the system would expect to see either a calving or a dry off after a positive scan result, but because the next event it saw was a heat, it then marked this animal as a potential abortion warning. For the reproduction checks list to work effectively, the collars have to be on the cows for at least 40 days before it will start to populate.